welcome back. And inscriptions, coins, and architectures provide a lot of information, but especially significant are historians' Tuareg. Tuareg means history. Tuareg is a Persian word in language of administration and under Delhi Sultans, and the Tuareg given so much resources to of the administration of that time. Tuareg were written by the learned men, secretaries, administrators, poets, and courtiers who lived in the cities, mainly in Delhi. They were written for the Sultan, which anticipation of rich rewards. They also advised rulers on governors, emphasizing the importance of just rules based on birthright and gender discrimination, not shared by everyone, which was not good. Razia, the daughters of Sultan Iltutmish, became the Sultan of Delhi in 1236, but she was dethroned by 1240 only for being just she is a woman and was unacceptable to the nobles. Even a very famous chronicler of that time, Minhaj-e-Siraj, recognized her as a more able than her brothers, but was not comfortable with her only for her being a lady. So we can see that at that time status of a ladies was not good. In the early 13th century, there was no significant expansion of Delhi beyond heavily fortified town occupied by the garrisons. It was only during the reign of Ghiyasuddin Balban, Alauddin Khilji, and Muhammad Tughlaq that Delhi saw expansions for the first time. The expansion was inherent with the internal frontiers. Forests were cleared in the Ganga, Yamuna, Doab, and hunter gatherers for pastoralized expelled from their habitat, and these lands were given to the peasants in order to promote the agriculture. Regional traders were also promoted it. External frontier was the next phase of the expansion, which was started with Alauddin Khilji in southern India and culminated with the Muhammad Tughlaq. The armies of Delhi Sultanate had marched across the large part of the subcontinent in the region of Muhammad Tughlaq. They defeated rivals, seized cities, and Sultan collected tax and peasantry. After this, I would like to explain administration of other system of Muhammad bin Tughlaq and all the Delhi Sultans, what they have done for the Delhi. Bye bye.